goalkeeper. Superb save by the keeper. And he's buried it. Goal! And it's been saved. Oh, brilliant stop. He saved it. Amazing. And he's buried it.
Thanks for stepping into the Goalkeeper POV 360 challenge. Want to see more penalty shootouts? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more 360 VR videos. Drop a comment with your save percentage. More immersive virtual reality football coming your way.